Alright guys, welcome back to another Math Notes. We're in section 6.2.1. We're looking at the equal values method for solving systems of equations. The equal values method is a method for solving a system of equations where basically you say since these two equations equal the same thing, they must equal each other. And this example they've given us right here, we have 2x plus y equals 5 and y equals x minus 1. So the first thing they're going to do is rewrite the top equation so that it equals x, and that's what you, or sorry, so that it equals y, and that's what you get right there. You get y equals negative 2x plus 5, and the bottom equation is still y equals x minus 1. So now since they both equal x, we can make them, since they both equal y, we can make them equal each other. So we say negative 2x plus 5 equals x minus 1. Move your x's to one side, your constants to the other, and you get negative 3x. Negative 3x equals negative 6, or x equals 2. Now, a lot of students are going to want to stop right there. They're going to say, hey, I got the answer and I'm done. But that is not the case. You need to solve for your other variable, y. So we're going to take that x and we're going to plug it in right there, which is what they've done here. So we have y equals 2 minus 1, so y equals 1. That means that if you graph these would intersect at the point 2, 1, where x was 2 and y was 1. You can check this solution by plugging in the x and the y to both equations. So they've taken the original equation here and the original equation here and plugged in 2 for x and 1 for y, and you get true statements at the end for both of those when you do it. So that is the correct solution. So remember, the core of the equal values method is once you have two equations that equal the same variable, you can set them equal to each other. Let's look at a sample practice problem here for you. We've got two equations, y equals 2x plus 5 and y equals negative 3 halves x times the quantity, negative 3 halves times the quantity x minus 1. You'll notice those are both equal to y, which is a perfect setup for the equal values method. So go ahead and solve for both x and y in this equation and have it ready for class. Thanks, guys.